All right, troops, let's go. Fetty?
That's you.
I'm American. Come on.
I feel like
Nigel, because he's a vet.
America.
What does Carlos get?
We don't have enough for Carlos. I guess he's just is.
Dude, you look
The
great.
hair.
You look great.
Like that? Ready to roll?
Oh, yeah.
Olympics, baby. Let's do this. All right. Well, here's how this is going to work. We have 3 medals, and they're actually metal. This is real gold. First place, second place, third place. And we have a series of events. Aaron, Nigel, Fetty, and Carlos, we are going to do a series of contests and see who has the most points at the end. All right, so this is going through all of Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1
Plus
tricks.
a tray flip.
Plus a tray flip, and then how far you can throw your board, which
That's
we'll
judged
have
by
to,
distance.
We'll have to go outside for that. And then the longest ollie, which is also by distance. And then we'll do the highest hippie jump. So the total score of this will give your winner. So what we're gonna do then at the end is a medal ceremony. Don't we need like a torch ceremony? We should do opening ceremony.
Yeah, we
Like,
should. Where's the blowtorch?
Why are we
Jay? Come
such-
on.
Here we go, opening ceremony. Getting stretched out, getting warmed up. Let's do this.
it looks so natural.
Does it look natural?
No, I'm serious. When I said you looked good in it, I was not lying.
Like if you went outside and you were running down the street like, and pretty much everyone would be like, Olympics now right there.
Are we doing Rochambeau to see who goes first?
Aaron, let's just have you go first.
I love how Fetty's practicing. Here, I need to practice.
So just keep going. Just give it many tries.
Doesn't count.
For Italy!
Come on, Aaron, you're on the clock. This is the Olympics.
No. Start over? I'm physically exhausted. I gotta start over.
A minute and 13.
Minute and 13 seconds.
I gotta do that again.
Nope.
Let's do it again.
Jesus, Aaron.
Seventeen seconds.
This Olympics, there's no redos.
So we're gonna keep the first time because it's the Olympics and you can't add a second time, but I will have it noted that Aaron got 17 seconds on his second go, so there you go.
All right, so ollie, front 180, back 180, front shove, pop shove, or
Pop
is it
shove,
pop shove,
front
front
shove,
shove?
heel flip, kick
Heel
flip,
heel flip
J flip.
first. All right.
Oh!
2107.
2107.
It's so hard.
There's 2 tricks in this that I'm not good at.
Time! 25:74.
Hey.
Welcome to the Olympics. $18.35.
Dude, that is tiring. Oh my God.
This is the throw line, okay? You aim that way.
One at a time.
That's pretty good. Oh! Right here, Fetty. Oh! Hey! Off the field.
That's where it lies. DQ!
Fetty murdered it.
No, you're definitely third.
Yeah.
By an inch and a half.
Are you kidding me?
So Fetty's first, Carlos is second, Aaron is third.
Okay, so each Olympian has 3 ollies, and the furthest ollie is their score. Daniel's marking. He's just gonna mark it with chalk. Back truck counts. Let's go.
Call him as you see him, Judge.
Really? No way.
Oh, wait, are you marking back truck?
Yeah, back there. About the same.
First try.
Try 2. You landed in the exact same spot.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, this is hard.
Oh, I was right here. Well done.
Yeah.
I feel like Fetty's gonna eat it right now.
Pretty much even or like, it was around here.
A little more, Fetty, a little more.
It's the same.
That second one is your furthest one, Fetty. That's still really good though.
I think Aaron popped late.
All right, Carlos. Going for a feat that I've never seen before. Tiny man versus long jump. Here we go.
You have 2 more tries.
This tiny man has just launched his way into.
Do you have to land though?
Yeah, you have to land. Here are the final standings. Carlos very narrowly beat you.
How? He's tiny. What is wrong with you?
All right, so we're setting up the hippie jump. I don't hippie jump. Carlos will tray flip hippie higher than all of us. Should we start it at a certain level?
Start at the very bottom.
3 attempts at each level.
Hey, Aaron's up first.
I literally think I saw Fetty tremble on that one.
Yeah, I don't like hippies either. Jumps. The people are fine.
Yeah, just right down there.
Yeah, once he gets to the third one, I'll do it.
We'll just go say. Oh!
Everyone's getting fancy with it.
I'd be struggling to hippie jump this one.
You would? You want to give it a go?
Hell no. See, this is terrifying. Disqualified. I literally don't think I could jump over this.
Whoa!
You have 2 more tries, Aaron.
Scary.
Whoa!
That's as high as I can go if I can even get that.
You got this.
Wow.
Yeah! He's still in it. Well
I had to
done.
make a weird noise to make it.
Wow! Wow!
Woo! I love that I'm the only one struggling at that.
And then this.
Yeah, so if you get this one, then no big deal. Just go straight to there. 1.
No, I know you can do this, Aaron. If you put your heart into it, you can land
You
it.
didn't look at it from back there, Cruz.
No, I'm serious.
When the pizza guy dropped off the pizza, he said, "How's your training?" I said, "It's good, pizza
Did he
guy."
really?
Yes.
Yes, Aaron! Yeah! I told you! Yes, Benny!
Oh! Ow! You got it, tiny man. He doesn't have it. You see how small he is?
Troy, get it together, man.
Can we get the tape measure real quick? No, that's definitely more than half.
That's like 2/3 of a knee right there.
Yeah.
It's like almost 4 feet.
3 feet.
Almost.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Pretty sure. Yeah, it is.
You got this, Aaron!
The next thing should be limbo.
Yeah.
How low can you go?
Skateboard limbo.
I can't even seriously try this.
Aaron.
This is like too much.
Just jump
Off the ramp? Yes.
Jump over it without your board.
Okay.
Okay, so you're adding three or 4 inches from that.
No!
You can do it!
And then you land on the board. No.
You can
Yeah,
do
but
it!
you're going. You're just like,
You can do it! You got this!
no way.
Nigel, you're gonna win this, man.
I hope so.
Wow.
I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Write an A for the last successful one you landed.
Woo!
Oh my god! Alright, right here.
You got this.
I got
Come
it.
on, come on. You got this. Oh! Judge?
I'm not the judge.
You count that? Judge?
Yeah, I would.
I love how he's wearing the thing over his hat. I just noticed that. F for here.
If this happens right now,
Carlos, I think you should just backflip hippie jump.
that'd be amazing, and I don't doubt that he can do it.
This is literally as high as I can go.
Just do a Superman dive and land on your chest. I'll count that.
Daniel is the judge.
Yeah, if you land with nothing else touching, it counts.
Congratulations, Nigel. You are the winner of this event.
I don't even think I placed. I don't think I placed at all.
All right, let's figure this out.
Just add up the total points and the lowest score wins. It's like golf.
This is an 8. It's an 8 too? Oh no. We have equals? That's a 10. And Aaron is a 7, 8. That's also a 10. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. This is not good.
We need a buzzer beater.
I say game escape. Game escape for third and fourth, and then game escape for first and second.
As long as there's no salt to be had if anyone loses.
The salt's already gone. It happened in the first event.
I guess we're gonna do tiebreaker games of skate. Aaron and Nigel are gonna play skate for third and fourth, and Fetty and Carlos are gonna play a game of skate for first and second. Aaron and Nigel, you guys are up first.
All heel flips.
Knew that. Oh my god! Chip of my board came out.
Wow.
That was rude.
That was out of nowhere.
It's a weird one.
I want to see that down to 5.
Ah!
Well, at least I got my heel flips.
You got the bronze medal, sir. Congratulations. All right, now we have Fetty and Carlos for the gold and silver medal. Who will win? Who knows? Carlos, you have something to say.
I love to compete, and you're a good guy, so winner, take all.
Why don't I just fall off?
Medal ceremony.
Is this official?
I'm just happy to be here. I'd like to thank my grandma. I'm proud. I'm a proud man.
Silver's better than gold anyway.
Who got first? Of course you did.
This live, get this out of here.
Out of here, Nigel.
Leave it.
You guys
Would you like to
gotta
thank anyone?
take it for America, man. Freedom of speech. Let's get out there and go kill the Olympics, right? USA, USA.
Oh no, I forgot about that. Yeah, yes. Oh, hold on. Let me get some of this. Let me get some of that. Let me get up in there. Look at that, Team USA. Do you see this? What does it say?
There you go.
All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. And then click right here for all the other videos in the playlist. You will like many of those. And then right here to learn how to skateboard, you need to get a skateboard and start skateboarding and have fun doing it. This is BrailleSkateboarding.com. That will take you to the resource on how to get started skateboarding. Thank you. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe, like. And if you guys want to see us do more of these, like, share, and leave that comment below. Next time we're doing the whole thing in leotards.